Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a Creative Card Carousel and add it to a Webflow website. Let's get started. The Creative Card Carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code. And close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Webflow editor. Please note, the widget's content will not show on Webflow's editor, but will only appear on the published website. In the Webflow editor, on the left menu at the top, click on Add New Item. Then, find and select the embed item. Please note, you can only use this item if you have a Webflow Premium account. Drag and place the embed item wherever you wish your widget to show on the page. Now, in the HTML embed code window that opens, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. Click the Save and Close button. And that's it. Now, the Creative Card Carousel will show on your website.